Welcome back to Wit and Wisdom in Sync. I'm Sue Sabella, and I can't wait to do some powerful thinking with you. Today we will need How Do You Know It's Fall, Handout 6A, Sample Informative Paragraph 3, Handout 7A, Main Topic of Text, and a pencil. Let's choral read this question together. When we choral read, we'll be reading each word together. What does looking at details and main topics reveal to us? When we look closely at details and topics, we can learn a lot of information from a text. You are becoming an expert at determining a main topic that ties key details together. As you read the details closely, you looked for similarities among the details, and that helped you determine the main topic. You asked yourself, what do all these details have in common? Let's quickly review the work you did with these details. The leaves are changing colors and dropping off the trees. You might have been thinking that the tree is changing and getting ready for winter. Animals are storing and even hiding food. You might have been thinking that they are getting ready for winter too. Then you created a topic statement that tied all the details together. In the fall, the plants and animals get ready for winter. Today, we are going to examine the topic statements of several sections in the book and then determine the main topic of the whole text. Let's get to it. Now it's your turn to do some powerful thinking and writing. Pause here to grab handout 7A. Read the directions to yourself, and then we can read them together. Use this chart to help you understand main topics of text. Now, let's read the chart. When I look closely at the chart, I notice that there are page numbers in the first column, bags in the second column, that lead to main topics in the third column. I also notice that there's a blank space at the bottom of the third column. You'll be reading and thinking to determine the main topic of the whole text, and you'll write that main topic here, right next to the big box. All the bags or the main topics for each section connect to one another and fit right inside this box. Since we need to do a lot of thinking about the main topic for the whole text, let's pull out the main topics of each section and begin to think about what they might have in common. That will help us determine the main topic for the whole text. Read these main topics to yourself first, and then we'll read them together. Weather in fall gets chilly. Animals get ready for winter and fall. Kids do fun things in fall. I keep hearing and reading the same word in all three sentences. That makes me think that that's the connection between the three sentences. What do you think the topic of our whole text could be? Shout it out or discuss it with your learning partner. Since you're such an amazing observer, you probably noticed the check mark in the corner. Remember, that means your teacher will be checking in with you. You'll reread the topic statements to determine the main topic for the whole text. Pretend to drop the bags inside the box to help you think about how each main topic is connected to the next. The box holds all these main topics together to give you the topic for the whole text. You've got this. Take your time rereading and thinking before you write in the space that's right next to the box. You can do it. You've been growing as a writer. You have learned so much about writing topic statements. Today, you will write your own topic statement for a paragraph. What do you need to know before you write a topic statement for an informative paragraph? Whisper it to me or tell a learning partner. Since the topic statement tells what the paragraph is about, we really need to know what the essential idea of the paragraph is. Pause here to grab handout 6A and your pencil. Read the directions to yourself first, and then we can think about those directions together. Follow along as I read this paragraph. In October, Halloween is a fun holiday. Kids carve pumpkins and dress up in costumes for trick-or-treating. Then comes Thanksgiving. This holiday is a time for lots of food and family. As I read these sentences, I'm starting to think about what they have in common. I notice holiday words like Halloween and Thanksgiving. I even read the word holiday. I'm starting to see how these sentences are connected and what the essential idea is. I also know that these holidays happen in the fall because we're reading a book about what's happening in the fall. Share your thinking about the essential meaning of this paragraph with me out loud or with a learning partner. Okay, fabulous observer. You probably noticed that check mark again in the corner, which means that your teacher will be checking in with you about topic statements. Let's revisit our directions to see what we've accomplished so far and what we need to do next. Direction number 1, read the paragraph. We did that. The next direction was determine the essential meaning of the paragraph. We did that too. The paragraph is all about fun fall holidays. Let's go back to the directions to see what's next. It says, then draft 2 possible topic statements for the paragraph. You can write the topic statements here. Today, you determined the main topic for the whole text, and you wrote topic statements on your own. What could you share with others that would have an impact on their own learning as writers? Knowledge sure is fun to share. Give it a try. It was so much fun to learn and grow with you today. I will see you soon.